US is the country where we believe Nissan is still not there where Nissan should be, which means brand is not driving the product, but product is driving the brand. And here we would like to use the new product and new technology to establish our brand. On the product strategy, at first, we are going to launch 8 new models in next 28 months. That will bring down our average age of product from above 5 years to close to 3 years. Same as our global capacities, we will align our fixed cost in United States, and we will focus Simrana on DSUV and CSUV, whereas we will focus Canton on frame and the C sedan. That right sizing will give us a production utilization of more than 90% in United States.
And so, US, we would like to repeat that the direction of our strategy is right. We need to make the quality of the sales to be much better. However, knowing the current situation of the coronavirus impact, it will take a time.
So let me first share with you what is our Asia strategy for Nissan, and this is exactly in line with prioritization and focus. When we talk about prioritization and focus, for sure, Asia is a great market for us in terms of customers, in terms of products, but also in terms of partners which we have in this region. However, when we look at our capability and capacity to cater to the demand of this region, we do believe that we need a partner who is much stronger than us in this region, and this is the reason we selected this region to strengthen more with Mitsubishi. As far as Nissan is concerned, we are going to use Thailand plant for Asia, ASEAN, but also we will use this plant for the export to the other parts of the world. For example, the Kicks e-Power, which we just launched, will be also available in Japan from the Thailand, which means Thailand will be catering more as an export hub, but also for Asia. So this is what about Thailand. Our second biggest market in Asia is Philippines, where we enjoy great market share on the frame-based SUV and the frame-based pickups. And here, we don't have the plant today, and we are now studying with Mitsubishi to utilize the Mitsubishi plant in Philippines so that we can localize our great products in the Philippines. So this is more about the utilization of Mitsubishi plant in Philippines. The third region, the third country, which is Indonesia, and as we said before, that because of our change in the strategy, we will stop our plant. However, we have more than 300,000 customers who own Nissan, and we have a great partner in Indonesia, Indomobil. So we would like to continue the Nissan brand in Indonesia with a focus on SUV and MPV. And for SUV, we will launch Kicks e-Power, which means we need Mitsubishi Indonesia plant to make MPV, which is today Grand Livina for us. And we are going to expand this Grand Livina in other parts of the Asia using the Mitsubishi Indonesia. In addition to that, as we know that Mitsubishi is very strong in the pickup, which is Triton, and now we are working very closely with Mitsubishi to use the common powertrain, common transmission, but also to have common modules on the next Triton X, next Navara. And when it comes to product, plant, processes, people, we are now having a great synergy with Mitsubishi in Asia, and we would like to utilize more and more to boost our performance in this region.